here at the Hardscrabble Club, also with AMBC2. We are here at our lightning tryouts. Boys, girls, come from all different areas in the tri-state. We look to form teams anywhere from 3rd grade up to 11th grade. Just boys and girls looking to play, have fun, get involved in the AAU, local tournaments. Some of our teams travel throughout different states. Most of our teams stay local. You don't have to go ahead and be all over the place. You can play a second sport or a third sport and still join us here with Lightning. We have coaches, great coaches. We work with kids, some of them are high school coaches, ex-players. Just about getting a group of kids, forming teams, playing, having fun, and just keeping their competitive spirits active throughout the spring. You can always call me at 845-406-0130, or you can visit our website at ambclub2.com, where you can find all our information with regard to all tryouts, teams, coaches, tournaments. Like I said, most of our kids just stay here local, playing our zero gravity tournaments, which are held here at the Hardscrabble Club or in the surrounding areas. It's a great thing. Like I said, good coaches, good sportsmanship, teamwork, trying to unlock kids' potential, and again, just providing another outlet for them as they continue to grow. So again, thank you for joining us here with tryouts. Feel free to visit our website. The more the merrier. Any information we can provide or help somebody, we're always open to it. Thank you.